YouTube, how's it going? Today I'm going to be picking up my new Edge Mustang GT. Now this is going to be a drift build and I'm just super excited. There's been months and months of trying to find a good deal on Marketplace, trying to find people that aren't just wasting my time, and trying to find one that isn't absolutely completely destroyed. Now unfortunately this one isn't automatic. However, we know how to do things around here, so we're going to be doing an automatic to manual swap. You know, cooling upgrades, transmission upgrades, everything upgrades, and we're going to be making this car the absolute drift missile on this channel. I already have an absolute drag missile. We're going to be pushing 8s this year. I'm definitely going to hit 8s this year, or I'll blow my motor trying and then I'll rebuild it and hit 8s. I don't care. We're hitting 8s in my drag car. I don't know what the achievement is on drifting, but I think I want to do what's it called, tandem. I want to learn how to do it. I have no idea how to drift. No idea where to even get started, no idea about events, classes, none of that. So we're gonna be learning everything as we go. I'm gonna be teaching you guys along the way. Anyways, we are running a little bit late, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and head over to the ATM, pick up the cash, and then start our 2.5 hour drive to go pick up this new Edge Mustang. I got my buddy Mike over here. Go check out his socials. I'll drop him down below. He's coming with me. He's gonna be driving either the truck or the Mustang back. And I heard the Mustang has an exhaust system on there, but I haven't heard it yet. So I'm very excited because the 2 valves, in my opinion, sound the best out of any V8. And trust me, I know that's a wild claim, but you'll hear it. You'll hear it. It's gonna be insane. Anyways, here we go. Let's go to the ATM. Well, we got a flat tire on the way. Luckily, on the go. And we somehow have the right tools to fix it. Woo. So, that's hot. I don't know why it popped.
Yep, there it is. Rest in peace to the tire. It did go flat.
Boing.
To bring you guys up to speed, we're on the way to pick up the new Edge, and unfortunately a tire in the F-150 went flat, so we are stranded on the side of the interstate and we have to swap the front 2 wheels.
Nice knowing you. Please fit. Fuck. Yeah! It fits! First time testing out the new wheels.
And this is our first time putting on John's new wheels for the truck. These are 18s compared to the 17s, so we're going to be doing a little bit of squatting, but at least they fit.
We just got the car fixed. I'm frustrated. It's really hot outside, but anyways, we're about to make our first move here. I'm gonna wait till traffic clears, and I just want to film this just in case. It is on a wonky setup, so here we go. Oh, I'm in park. Yo, bicep looking massive. Yo.
We're literally lopsided.
Okay. If I let go of the wheel, it doesn't. Where does it go? It's going that way. That's crazy. It works. It's working. Let's go. Hopefully the guy has a car jack where we're picking up the car from, and I can just use it. I'm just ready to hear like a, and then we go. Oh, there's our fucking rest area right here.
There it is.
It said the next rest area was 29 miles. I figured, dude, we could have just gone up here. Whatever.
It is what it is.
Yeah, we made it. Alright YouTube, so it's been about 2.5 hours. We did run into a slight problem, as you guys could see, but we are well on our way to pick up the new Edge. We had a little bit of a delay. That was my fault because the tire exploded, so the guy had to go pick up his kid from work. But we're about to check it out for the very first time, and I'm hoping that it's everything that it said it was in the pictures. If so, I think it's a good deal, a great deal. We're headed there now. We got about 10 more minutes left. I'm just super excited. We got all the cash, we got the rest of the Zell, and this car is gonna be insane. Oh, dude, actually, that's crazy, the start time. It's right there.
Oh, it's actually right there. Yo, that thing looks so good.
That's crazy,
they can't see yet.
Brother.
We gotta wait.
We'll show him in a second. I wanna say hi, but you can see it through the window, kind of.
You guys can kind of see it right there. A little new Edge.
Oh, shit.
There it is.
Introduce myself. Yo, that looks crazy. All right, give me a second,
And it's just lucked up.
Yeah, something else. We got wasps at home,
So I traded that one in for this one. So he kept the truck.
Oh, yeah, the white F-150 lighting. Okay.
Made a truck for that one.
Oh, no way. That's awesome. How much that was okay?
No, that one.
No,
I imported that one. I had to wait like 3 months to get it.
Cool, we got the stock headers on there. That's great. We're putting a turbo on this, like, soon.
I did some just refinishing, but
Is this just like a wrap over it?
yeah, it's a wrap over.
Okay, cool.
But this one must not have gotten a lot of sun though.
Yeah, I was about to say the leather looks brand new.
Ya primo, no.
Oh, the buttons in the
Dash. Blue button. Dale.
$20,000.
20,000.
20,000. There it is. We have a new Edge Mustang now.
Not yet.
Oh,
Battery and everything. That was the only thing that when I was going to start it, they didn't. So I charged it up and squared it together.
Well, boys, we did it. This thing sounds pretty good. It needs more of the. It's so slow. Woo, baby! Oh, I don't know how the brakes work, so I should probably test them. Yo, this car's awesome. I'm hoping you guys can see me because this is absolutely insane. We just went through with a sale. If you guys saw the videos that Mike took, huge shout out to Mike. Thank you once again. But look at this car. Look at this thumbnail. Hold up, thumbnail pic. Let's go. I have a brand new Mustang, brand new to me, brand new Mustang GT. This thing is crazy. Let's take a look at it. I won't be posting the price in this video, but guess what I paid down in the comments. Now, let's go over some of the cool features and some of the negatives. I have a Cobra front bumper, which obviously is insane. The headlights, obviously, they're kind of cool. I'm probably gonna be swapping those out. We got a carbon fiber hood. This thing's insane. Carbon fiber hood. It does need some work, but this car, I'm in love with it. I got it for a really good price. The interior is insane. It's got monster truck status right now, so one of the first things we'll be doing is cutting the springs to get it lower. Just listen to that. Listen to that 2-valve noise. Personally, I think it's one of the best sounding V8s. All right, I'll quit yapping so y'all can listen to it. Bro, I just noticed it's got the chrome taillights. No, bro, those gotta go. We gotta get rid of those. But look at that. Brand new Edge. Drift builds very, very soon. I'm gonna be doing so much stuff to this car. I'm super excited. Super, super happy with this purchase. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh, mint condition, almost. I'll get a carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm looking for companies to sponsor stuff for this car because I will be giving a lot of eyes to it. Anyways, door cars, perfect. You know, these panels haven't popped out. That's usually one of the first things that happen. We got the seats that need to go. Only 2 brake pedals. We're gonna be swapping that out with 3 very, very soon. But oh my goodness, dude, interior is flawless. Anyways, look at this. Look at this. You wanna pop the hood? Let me pop the hood real quick. Ooh, lift that up. Lift up that carbon fiber hood. Dude. It's a little yellow one. I think you push it down. Yeah, there we go. Check out the condition of this motor. Engine bay, sorry. This thing's in mint condition. I'm trying to show you guys with the light. But there's not a lot of dirt, not a lot of dust. It's a weird line coming from the factory error line right there, but this thing's insane. Look at it. 4.6 new Edge 2-valve. It's gonna be getting a lot of work done to it. So I'm very, very happy with this car. I'm very excited, and I just can't wait to do some crazy shit with this car. It's gonna be insane. We're in the new Edge right now, and the AC is ice cold. I'm so happy we have AC. We have tint all around. It's not the best because you can see it's dyed tint. It's like a little purplish hue. But man, it feels good in this car. I am very, very happy with this purchase so far. We gotta make it home. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to drive this thing about 2 hours home, so hopefully nothing goes wrong. So far, so good. All the gauges are pointing in the right direction. This thing is in beautiful condition. Now let's make this road trip home, and I hope we don't wreck. I've been driving it for about 20 minutes now. The AC still works. Ooh, we got some long winding roads here. This thing sounds pretty good. It is a lot quieter than some of the cars that I'm used to, and I kind of like it. It feels really, really good driving. I haven't had a single problem with it. The steering wheel is giving me a little bit of feedback, just kind of a little bit of shaking, but I'm guessing that's just because of some mismatched brakes. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna swap those out anyways, but this thing is driving like a charm. It's nice and cold, no noises, no stuttering, no none of that. It doesn't really pull, it's kind of slow, but likes the shifts, it brakes decently. I am in love with this car so far. I'm hoping that there's no more undiscovered problems. But we got a lot of stuff to work on this car. All the temperatures are good, everything's good, great to go. I'm really a big fan of the new Edge GTs because I've owned about 4 in my lifetime. I think this is either number 4 or number 5. I've built one from the ground up. I'm talking motor pull, flywheel swap, manual swap, drivetrain. I've done fuel, I've done every single thing you can to this car except pull this dashboard right here. So I don't think I've ever pulled the dashboard, and I'll probably be doing that here to put a cage in this car. Because I don't know what the drift rules are, but I'm pretty sure you need a cage in any drift build. But so far, I think for now, just for a couple of weeks, we're gonna leave it stock as is right now, and just upgrade the little things here and there to make it more reliable as a daily. And my truck, Mike is back there driving my truck. You can kind of see it in the background. But my truck is going to the shop to get some work done, and by the shop I mean my house. So whenever I have some free time, I'm just glad I have another vehicle that I can drive every day. I do have the title. I gotta go finish with the insurance. I mean, I'm driving it with insurance. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I gotta finish the insurance. I gotta go get it registered and titled under my name. At the same time, I need to get a new Florida driver's license. And then I need to get my 2018 Mustang GT swapped on over from a salvage title to rebuild, because we did finish the rebuild on that. So anyways, like I said, this car feels amazing, great. I can't wait to show you guys more content. We're almost home. I'm gonna try to update you guys as things kind of happen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, YouTube, we made it home, and I can't believe I'm saying this. Excuse the loud garage. We got my 1,000 wheel horsepower Mustang right here, and then we have my 90 wheel horsepower. I'm just kidding. And honestly, we should probably take it to the dyno and kind of see what it actually makes, but we made it home safely. We made it home safely, and there are a couple of problems with the car that I discovered after the fact, and that is because the previous owner, the guy that sold it to the guy I just bought it from, actually had a list of the problems and actually got in touch with me. He saw my post on Instagram somehow, reached out and said, hey, something's wrong with this car. I need you to check this, and that. I think it's the car that you just bought. And it was, and he did show me a couple things wrong, which I will go into detail later, but essentially there is a little bit of rust, just a little bit. Not throughout the entire car, it's just little spots here and there, and there's a really bad spot on the front left strut. Nothing too major, but we're going to go ahead and grab a welder, fix that up real quick, just kind of support it, and that's obviously going to happen whenever the motor gets taken out, because we are putting in the manual, so we're just going to do that at the same time. Manual, reinforce the front, maybe tubular front end, and we'll hit up UPR or BMR, one of those companies that makes products for the new Edge Mustang, and we're going to get a little K-member swap, and pretty much make this car a little bit lighter, safer, and just better for drifting. So a little bit of extra space down there helps with weight distribution, stuff like that. But anyways, we made it home, and the freaking car is here. It made it perfectly fine, started up just right. Sounds crazy, it's just really slow. I think I'm gonna insert some clips of Mike driving. I think I put that before, but anyways, like I said, we made it home safely with the brand new car. I'm probably gonna take this to work, to be honest. I'm just gonna go ahead and double check the insurance, make sure that we're good to go. But this thing's amazing. We made it home. Look at that. Both of my Mustangs. Got my red one, my gray one, which will be satin black, and I think we're just gonna wrap the hood as well, even though it is carbon fiber. It's pretty light, but look at this thing. This thing looks mean, especially from the front. We do have to fix a couple of the gaps with that new hood over there, and also the monster truck status right here. We got literally like a hand space of girth in between the tires, and these spin very easy, surprisingly. I had a lot of fun on my way here. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Leave a like, leave a comment on what I should be doing with the build. Should I even make it a drift build? Should I do something crazy? Should I get airbags? What type of wheels should I get? Just put everything you want in the comments. Like I said, I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I'm going to be doing with this car, and maybe one day, actually, honestly, we're going to be putting up this car right here against the truck. It is a 3-valve versus a 2-valve, and 10 years older, so we're going to see. And then we might be able to take it to time attack and see how it does against this 1,000 wheel horsepower Mustang. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe, and I really do appreciate everybody for watching. And if you made it this far, leave a crazy comment. Just leave your favorite color. That's it. Just leave your favorite color. Everyone else reading the comments is going to be like, what the heck are they talking about? Pink, blue, purple. Just, yeah, leave that. And go ahead and subscribe, leave a like, and I really do appreciate everybody for watching. Thank you so much, and I couldn't have done it without y'all. Peace out.